Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can level up by using a tactical pass. So for example, if you have a lot of tactical pass like this one, the green one, I only have small amount of tactical pass, 260. But if you do have more and you won't spend it in scouting, you can spend your tactical point in this page, tactical pass, and rank up your level. So I give you an example. If you need to level up until some level, you can tap this purchase tire. So it costs 60 tactical point per level. So I own 260, so I can level up only until 16, level 16. I need also 4 level up, 4 step level up. So if you need like bonus or reward in certain level, such as you need urgently a skill move or regular scout, and maybe some uh, coin, or if you are premium player you can purchase tire. But for free to play or for beginner, I recommend you not to purchase tire. Just playing more every day to level up your tire. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click text button below. Enjoy the game.